Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Advanced Health employee account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Advanced Health employee account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can choose any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you have to search for employee login Advanced Health. And after searching for employee login Advanced Health, you will come up to this page where you have to tap on this first option which says Advanced Health Login. And after tapping on that, now you will come up to this page where you can enter your username and password. And after entering your username and password, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you will be successfully signed into your account. But when you try to sign into your account, if it shows you an error like invalid password, or if you have forgotten your password, you can easily reset or recover your Advanced Health password. So to do that, what you can do is just tap on forgot or reset password, which is on the bottom of your screen. Just tap on that option, and after tapping on that option, you just have to enter some following details, and after tapping on that option, you will be able to change your password. So just create a new password, and after creating a new password, come back to this login page, and after coming back to this page, just enter that new password which you have just entered. Enter the new password which you have just created, and then try to log into your account. After doing this, you might be able to log in. After doing this, you will be successfully logged into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Advanced Health employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.